Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Cadillac XT5. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and the correct replacement headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any accidental burns or electrical issues. Consulting your owner's manual is also a smart first step to confirm the exact bulb type and any model-specific instructions. To access the headlight bulb, begin by opening the hood of your Cadillac XT5. Locate the rear of the headlight assembly, which is usually visible from the engine bay. You will likely need to remove a few plastic covers or trim pieces that are held in place by clips or screws. For some headlight positions, you might even need to partially detach the wheel well liner to gain sufficient access to the bulb housing. Now for the bulb replacement itself. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. Next, unclip or twist the retaining ring that secures the bulb within its housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Ensure it is seated correctly, then reattach the retaining ring and reconnect the electrical connector firmly. For the final steps, carefully reinstall all the trim pieces, plastic covers, or the wheel well liner that you removed earlier. Double-check that all clips and screws are securely fastened to prevent any loose parts or rattling while driving. Once everything is back in place, turn on your Cadillac XT5 headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working properly. It is also a good idea to check the headlight aim and adjust it if needed for optimal road visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.